Let's play with sh this time. Let's see what happens when we want to play with sh and attach other vowels to this one. You know the pattern right now. Everything is somehow familiar, but we want to practice each consonant in Persian language as we are learning to read and write them. Look here. We have again our vowels. A, e, u, e. First one with the hat doesn't attach, comes at first. Second one attaches and comes in the middle and at the end. Look here. The first one, ash. Second one, it attached. The first one is sh, so the first sound that we hear is sh, and then it would be a. So it's sha. What about next one? Again, the same pattern is true here. The first one is here, comes in the beginning, and the other one attached like a magnet to the lowercase consonants. So it's sha. Ash, sha. Ash, sha. Next one, e. The one that comes in the beginning, and the other one is the one that attaches to the lowercase consonants and the second sound that we hear. So it would be esh, and the other one would be she. What about this one? Same. The O that comes in the beginning doesn't attach. This one attached to the lowercase one. When they want to play, it would be osh. The other one is sho. What about u? This one doesn't attach. This one attaches, comes in the middle and at the end. So when it plays with sh, it would be oosh. And when this one wants to play with sh, it would be shoo. Not shoe, but shoe. Yeah, not that shoe. What about this tricky one? Yeah, this one won't play around this time that much. So the one that comes at the beginning attaches only by this part. This one comes in the middle, can attach from both sides, not necessarily, but sometimes both sides, but sometimes just one side. And the last one sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. So when it wants to play with sh, the first one would be ish. The last one would be she. That's it. Let's see what practices we have. For practices, just like usual practices, one page for ash, and as you write it down, you read with it. The other one, sha. You write it down and you read it with it. The other one page for ash. The other one, sha, ish, and until she. See, I tell you one page, but it depends on you. Sometimes you write down a half page and you feel like you completely learned it, so you don't have to continue. That's completely depending on you. I want you to learn it, to whenever you see that, you can understand that how you would read it, and when someone tells you that, you can write it down. See you guys next session. Don't forget to comment for me when you did it, and don't forget to subscribe, which you did already, but for those who are watching this video for the first time. See you next session, and until then, bye.